I'm back here, and today I'm gonna be about to sing variant. Wait, no. I actually don't know the name, so it's actually Lucifer. So I've been waiting all week, all day, all like I don't know, like days, and it finally came. So actually, I promised it was gonna be an Excalibur, but it got canned. The pay the the delivery actually got canceled because for some reason. So that's we just need to order another one. So here it is. So that's why I wasn't able to record a lot. So now let's open it and make sure to like and subscribe and let's get on with it. Oh no, not tape. Oh, you must be wondering, what is this? So it's my school uniform. It's my school uniform because I need to get back to class soon. It's our lunch break, so we're supposed to. Oh! It just got ripped. Okay, 3, 2, 1. No! Yes! Finally. Yes. So now, oh, stickers. 3, 2, 1, go! Silk! Okay, first let's start off with this. This is kind of actually new. Okay. Get off. Okay. Nonsense. So guys, hallelujah. Woo! Sorry, my voice is just messed up because I just ate breakfast. I mean, no. I actually just ate. Yes. Okay. First off, the driver, which is called the Mobius. Yes, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so first the driver, Mobius, or I can say it's Mobius. Maybe it's Mobius. I think it's Mobius. Now the disc. I actually don't know what are the disc. What's this? Oh, it's Japanese. So guys, stop! Ah! Yeah! Finally. Now the disc finally. And by the way, this is not a fake product. It's actually the Keratome. Now all I've been waiting for, the layer. This is gonna be so glorious. This is so glorious. Yes. Yes. This is crazy. OMG, look. Yes. Now it's time to put it together. Yeah. Woo! So this is variant Lucifer. Left spin. Wait, I think it's left spin. I think it's left spin. Spin. Now the stickers. So I'll actually try my best to do the stickers. Okay. The first So there's gonna be silence. So so it's gonna be like that. Okay. Okay, okay. I've completed the first one. It's there. It's. I think you guys cannot see it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but let's just take it. Okay. Oh. Yes. Oh. And there's sweat. Literally sweat. Okay. So there's the there. Okay. Okay. Now these ones. Okay. I guess that's it. So bye guys. See you in the next time. Bye.